As you can see here, Riley is trying to fend off these dogs. One of them who has pooped in several places. One of them is really wild and the other one is sitting on a cushion. The defenses are kind of bad.
They were good.
And I must tell you, whoa, they're getting wild. As you can see, this dog. Come on. Riley is building his forces up. Riley is getting more defensive. We'll get back to you later on what is happening. Riley is adding to his defense, and they are adding to their offense. Just look at them looking for a way to penetrate that defense. Looks like Riley has decided to taking his own sisters. Yourself. The dogs are wondering what he's doing, not knowing that he is building up a defense against them. Riley has piled lots of stuff. Oh, defense! Look at that poor defensive Riley.
That was great. They just found a hole right here. Oh my God.
Riley, he was guilty. Our ball. You want it. Go get it. Open the door. We have built this wall. Wait a second. Go get it. Say like one of the words that she likes.
Go for a walk.
Go get her.
Get some cheese. Yes, get some cheese. Let's get some cheese. Go for a walk.
She is very intense on getting it.
Yeah. Go for a walk. Come on.
Okay, that's enough, Nikki. God. She's right pillows. She's on the inside. She's knocking down stuff. Framework is
Go for a walk. What? Go for a walk. Go for a walk.
Go get it. Mia is very intent on getting upstairs.
Let's go. Get it. Let's go for a walk. Come on.
So Dad, she's trying with all her best.
Come here. Let's go for a walk.
She feels she can get up. She is struggling with it. She has made it. Oh, wonderful. We are trying to get Mia to fall for another of our traps. Don't put on. No, Mia. You want it. Go get it. Do open the door to the wall. Go get it. Okay, squirrel. Mia is tempted to stop. Go in, Mia. Get it.
Okay. Gotta go. Yeah. Gotta go. Gotta go. Go. Here's one. There it is.
Oh,
Green. Oh, you want it. You want it a lot. You want the sheep? You want it? You gotta climb it. You want the sheep? Sit it right there. Sit it right there. Sit it right there. Whoa! Yeah. So she's sitting. She's sitting right there.
she flew down the stairs. We put her up the stairs, and she ran down.
Let's see if she'll do it
As
again.
you can see, some dogs have a will, but they just need to be encouraged to come through with that will.